Okay, it's Friday, it's 10 to 3. What have I been doing? No PBLA stuff. Actually, today I did no PBLA. Not in the morning, not this afternoon. That's what we're supposed to do at this point. You know, get our PBLA skills tuned. Well, we don't have PBLA skills yet. And I've done enough tuning. So I didn't do any today. That coffee was really useful this morning, so I think I will continue to get them. I believe I've mentioned that. I just logged off the computer. I was talking to Stephanie too. I was trying to put a background on my personal computer login page, whatever. As far as Stephanie and I are concerned, they don't seem to allow it because we couldn't do it. Now, I remember the very first day that Nicole was trying to figure something out, as if she had done it before. So I sent her a text, but never heard back from her. So I don't know what she's doing right now, but she's too busy to answer me. Or maybe it isn't possible. That's what Stephanie figured. She looked and she didn't see any way to do it. So that's the constructive, useful work that I've been doing. I did download the picture that I wanted to set as my background. Did that. So I got into all my places. You know, I took a picture from Facebook. And I also got into my work email. So I looked at my work email and whatever. Oh, actually I did something this morning. I did do some, no, it wasn't PBLA. It was for school related lesson planning. I did some school related work this morning. And that's about it. It's 10:02. It's, you know, I've taken up that much time, so, and I'm absolutely starving, and I want to eat my natural crispy roll, non-fried energy snack. The most delicious snack and healthy that you can have. It is fantastic. Yoo-hoo. I was going to do something about this Pink Shirt Day logo. You could win all sorts of cool stuff, like $200 and Kitchen Ranger's autographed pink shirt, and your design and signature will be on the Pink Shirt Day t-shirt, which is a value of $1,000. But I could do this at home, maybe. But then I just sort of got uninspired. I don't really have anything to say about bullying. Oh, maybe I'll take it. I don't know. Design a Pink Shirt Day logo. Woo. Yeah. Wow, as you can tell, I am not inspired for anything right now. Had they allowed me to put a background on there, I would have been inspired to do other things. Yes. I hate my hair right now. My afternoon class went well. My morning class went very well. No problem with my classes today. Just bored now. And I want to eat my crispy snack because I'm starving. but I'm going to wait. Because I'm also a little tired, so I want it to wake me up when I get in the car and start driving. Because I went swimming last night, and, you know, that has made me extra tired. Swimming went well. I really enjoyed swimming this week. Yeah. Anyway, ta for now. Have a good one.